Welcome back to my another video. Today gonna show you how to draw anime character. First of all, I'm not an art teacher, so don't judge as a professional. I'm sharing my experience only. First, you choose a light grade pencil like HB, then you draw the outline using medium pressure as per your reference image. Initially your drawing will look very bad, but give your 100%, and remember this is the first step. Your drawing will become more beautiful as you work on the details. So don't worry about the results, first focus on making the outline, correct the mistakes while drawing the outline. And yes, important information for anyone who doesn't know about anime: this character belongs to Demon Slayer, and it is the main character of the series and his name Tanjiro Kamado. This is very famous show of anime. I will recommend you anyone who wants to watch this show can watch this, and I am 100% sure you will never be disappointed with this show. Stick with me for step 2. In the second step, fade the outline with the help of the needed eraser. Now in the third step, take dark grade pencil and enhance the outline. Step 3 is done. Now the fourth step is the shading, and I am using the hatching technique. Shading is a very important part of drawing, so if your shading technique is good, then your drawing will look even more beautiful. The anime shading is very easy compared to human face shading or body shading.